Hello and welcome. I will show you now how to make yourself a beautiful seasonal card like this one to be printed out and distributed. This will be done in Keynote. There are more tutorials at the end to teach you how to make original artwork if you're interested, as well as how to download some seasonal fonts. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's open up a Keynote. Tap, tap, there we go. Opens up. Command A grabs everything and we delete it. If I can zoom in with my fingers here on my trackpad, go over here and Command D for duplicate. I now have two pages. Back cover, front cover, inside and second page on the inside. I've already gone to this page here, giveitaway.net, the holiday projects page. There is another example here of another project you can do for an animation, and here we can just grab whatever we need. Two-finger tap on this, Command tab back, paste it right in there, make it smaller naturally. One thing you're going to have to do once you've got it all set up is you're going to have to print it off a number of times to make sure that it's balanced as much as you like it to be. Text, whatever you want to write in here. I can go over here to format text. I've got all kinds of different Christmas fonts that I have put in here. Command plus makes it bigger, or in format text I can just use the arrows, or I could be cheeky and go in here and just type in a number, 60, maybe 80. I'm going to change the color of that to red. Might even want to add a style, bit of a drop shadow. Looks nice. On the back cover, Command tab back over here, I use this Santa Claus. Copy the image, that's a two-finger tap, copy image, tab back, Command V, paste it right in there. Make it lots smaller than that. I don't have legs on this Santa, so I'm going to make him look bigger. It's kind of bleeding off. And you could have him say whatever you like. Over here in arrange, I can make him twist around a little bit so I can use the arrows. Remember, you fine tune it, move it down with these arrows on the keypad, and shift arrow over here. I might even just go ahead and add a little speech bubble and have him say anything else that you would like to have said. A little bye-bye greeting. I can move this down over here, maybe move him over further. A grabs that all. Let's grab a better font, shall we? Anything you like. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Okay, Command plus makes that bigger. Now this is too far over to the side, so I'm actually going to grab it and move it over, because keep in mind that this bit right here in the center is going to be just that, your center, so beware of the fold. I drag this over, see that's right in the center now, so that's about where your fold's going to be. Make sure you space things accordingly. If this is over here, it would be on the front page as well. I change that style to white with a border. Now means I need to go inside and also make the text a different color. Border is too thick, so I'm going to go over here. Once again, in format style, make it a little lighter if you wanted to. Grab a shadow. All right, on the inside here, inside one, I had this fella. Two-finger tap. I can put him in here. Change the size and dimensions. Write whatever I'd like up here. Again, click on text box. You can move that over here. Restyle it however you want. And over here you can put a personalized message or more images. Command tab, two-finger tap, copy that image, and I'll paste that in there. And you can go ahead and do whatever you want. I'm not going to spend a lot of time showing you because I'd like you to go ahead and make your own. You've already seen what mine look like. Okay, the all-important crucial last step is you're going to want to Command P for you to print it. This is the crucial step. You want it to be double-sided. So go over here to File, Print, Command P if you're quick. Now I've selected two-sided. This is really important. I'm also going to want to show the details because it's not going the way that I want it to. So for layout, I want it to be a short edge binding. That's perfect. In page attributes, switch it over here. Okay, fantastic. Now we've got it in page attributes the right way horizontal. We've got it two-sided. If I click print, because we have it on short edge binding, it's going to be perfect to fold and make into a card. Keep in mind, up here in shapes, that's where I got my snowflakes from. Double tap and it's in there. You can change the size. Mine look a little lighter because I've gone to format and I've made them a little more transparent. There are more tutorials right now, like I said, for a bunch of other things. So please go ahead and learn how to make your own graphics and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these tips and tricks.